Hey, what's up, guys? Looking at the exacta of the day here at the 6th at Fairgrounds. It was scheduled for 5.5 furlongs on the turf, but with the conditions, they took it off the turf, and the main track is listed as good. In my opinion, it looks a little more muddy, but it seems to be drying up. Watching the races prior, it looks like Speed's really holding these closers that having a hard time making up ground. So I'm gonna look for some speed. And that brings me to the 3. It looks like the 3 is quickest out of the gate. Has only raced on the dirt, so he has experience. He's going back up to maiden special weight after racing 50,000. And if you just look 21 and 3 out of the gate, he's in first. 26. I think those will get him the lead. I'm just hoping he doesn't fall apart. He also has a half less furlong to go. It's 5.5 instead of 6. And then I'm just going to use a couple more horses. The 179. And I'll throw in the first time starter, the 8, just in case. So 3 over the 179, 8. See if I'm missing anyone. I'll use the 13 too. He's also eligible. People kind of forget about to throw the also eligibles in. I mean, he doesn't look amazing, but he could definitely be in the money. So we'll set that up, and then we'll watch the race. As you can see, like, that doesn't look good to me. But what do I know? All right, so exacta. So that means you have to come in first and second, and then a key box. So key box means you're keying a horse, and he has to be there. And then you're boxing other horses that have to be there with him. So the 3 definitely has to be there. And then the 1, 7, 8's the first time starter. I really like the 9. I'm just afraid that he won't be able to close. And then we'll use the 13, the also eligible. $1 key box. 3, 1, 7, 8, 9, 13. Cost me $10. The 3 is 8 to 1.
Fighting for a double.
It looks like they're all about loaded here.
Tatum has moved in.
It's hard to see with that tree there.
Diamond and Silks. 5.5 furlongs, main track good. Stand by for a start. Mitch Merle with 9-time starter La Negra Noche at 5.5 furlongs. All in line. They're off and sprinting.
So we really want the 3 to get the lead.
Charging out of there. To 5 for the lead with Lucky Quarters, and Aptocino Line also forcing the issue. It's Lucky Quarters. Lucky Quarters led from Aptocino Line. Mom's Pass now third with Sweet Bay.
It's only 5.5, so.
Bundle of Joy, fifth between fillies, going past the half-mile pole. Then Maritate into the Gold Silks. La Negra Noche posted wide. Deeper out into the good track is Diamond and Silks, who's looking to loop the field. And the newcomer, Cloud 10 Trails.
They don't have the 5, and he should be pretty high odds.
23 seconds flat at the 2.5. It's Lucky Quarters.
So he's a little worrisome because he looks pretty good here.
With on the outside.
He hasn't moved the 3 yet, though.
As they straighten for the quarter pole.
He's going to start right here.
Inside is Mom's Pass. Also toward the
Come on, 3. Have horse. Come on, 3.
Heads are turned for home.
Come on, 3.
It's Lucky Quarters.
Come on, 3.
Toward the inside for Marcelino Pedrosa. 1 furlong to get.
Come on, 3.
And Lucky Quarters to reel in. Charging on the outside is Sweet Bay.
This speed is just holding.
Line. And Mom's
All
Pass
right,
is
3-9.
staying on, along with Meritaten. They're close to home. It's Lucky Quarters. Sweet Bay kept at bay by Lucky Quarters. Won by a length and a half to Sweet Bay. Mom's Pass third. Cloud.
All right, so unfortunately the 9 came in second at 6 to 5, but the 3 is 8 to 1, so it still might pay decent. I mean, that just shows the importance of, paying attention to how the bias is that day. And even though they have the track listed as good, still kind of questioning that. And speed just seems to be taken to this track at the moment, so you just have to kind of switch your handicapping up and gear towards the bias. So it shouldn't pay too much, but still a good bet. maybe got carried away with how many horses I used. It was pretty 379 was pretty obvious. $1 superfecta paid 504. Had all those horses. 50-cent pick 3. Waiting for the exacta. All right, so paid $26.30 for a dollar. $26.30.
Riding double for
So not
Marcelo
bad.
Pedrosa.
Just a just a simple
Third
bet.
riding double this race week.
You
here at
keep
the
it to
fairgrounds.
simple and you're good. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
3.